Music, press M. Bookmarks, go to Music. Select a piece of music and click on it to enter the playback interface. Press M. Use left-right key to choose Bookmarks. Confirm. Use left-right key to choose Add Bookmark. Confirm. Add up to 10 bookmarks. Confirmation is the time to add 2 bookmarks. Press M. Confirm. Use left-right key to choose Go to Bookmark. Confirm. This is the bookmark that was just added. Select any bookmark. Confirm. Start playing from the place where the bookmark is added. Press M. Confirm. Use left-right key to choose Delete Bookmark. Confirm. Select the bookmark you want to delete, and press Confirm to complete the deletion. Press M. Check here, no bookmarks successfully deleted.